Hello YouTube. In this tutorial I will show you a simple way to add a green screen video in DaVinci Resolve 17. This video will last only 3 minutes. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button. I will use the cut page, but of course you can achieve the same in the edit page. First let's find a free video clip. In YouTube search for green screen videos. That one looks promising. Nice. So where is the download button? There are many ways to download. In case you don't know how, watch my other video. For now, let's head to another website. Go to pexels.com. Select the video tab. Well, she looks interesting. Let's check the license. Free to use. No attribution. That's nice. Thank you, Wolfgang Langer. Hit the download button and select the resolution. Hello. Let's close this all, shall we? Drag and drop the video file to the timeline. Okay, now let's get rid of the green screen. From the Effects tab, select 3D Keyer and drag it onto the clip. It's the part where I need to select the OpenFX overlay. This is missing in the cut page. If you know better, please leave a comment. Go to the edit page, make sure OpenFX overlay is selected. Now draw to remove the green part of the video. Check Despeel to improve the result. For further adjustments, move the sliders. Use the output drop-down for a better visualization. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.